I am here with fantastic mental health professionals. We just did Feel Good First, Comedy is Your Secret Weapon. What'd you think, everybody?
Fantastic.
Oh,
We loved
thank you
it.
so
Excellent.
much.
Thank you. Excellent.
Can I
So
ask-
much fun.
Can I ask what you liked about it? Did you find it engaging?
Yes.
Definitely engaging.
Interactive.
Energetic.
Was it useful?
Yes,
absolutely.
it
Oh,
was
I'm so
awesome.
glad.
The day flew by.
The day
Yeah.
flew by.
It was wonderful.
Did I make you laugh a little?
Yes!
Yeah, right on. That's amazing. Thank you so much. We just did Feel Good First, Comedy as Your Secret Weapon. Carly, what'd you think?
It was amazing, very energetic, kept up the energy, fantastic presentator. It was awesome. I really, really enjoyed
Thank you
it.
so much. Did you feel engaged?
Very engaged,
Yeah?
yeah. So yeah, energy was up. The activities that were done
Nice.
and very well spaced out with the speeches as well.
Thank
and
you
yeah,
so much.
very engaging, and it was awesome.
Well, thank you so much. And
Thank
I got to
you.
say, too, and I know it's weird, but thank you for your incredible work your organization
Yes,
does.
well, I
It is
appreciate that
phenomenal.
as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Weapon Tony, what'd you think?
I thought it was amazing. No one was really sure what the presentation was going to be coming in, and you excelled. Beat everyone's expectations.
Thank you so much.
And yeah, it was really informative. It was hilarious. It was engaging and interactive, and I'm just very impressed.
Thank
Awesome
you.
job.
And I got to ask, would you recommend this for other folks in the caring professions?
100%. I mean,
Yeah.
one of the toughest things we deal with every day is there's a lot of stress in our jobs,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And it's nice that you acknowledge that and you give us a way and an outlet to kind of let loose a little bit, right?
All right,
And-
right on.
In a professional setting, and that's what happened today. And it was a great team building activity.
Oh.
I think that was the most important thing.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I am here with Pam. Pam, we just did Feel Good First, Comedy is Your Secret Weapon. What'd you think?
I thought it was fantastic. Everything about it was really uplifting, energizing, humor.
Oh, thank you.
And I think the best compliment I had for you and for the day was one of our employees who really loved their employer before the integration, before becoming part of the CMHA family, said that as much as they loved their former employer, that this was the best staff day they'd ever been at.
Oh, that's
So
so
that was
fantastic.